Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a super easy kids lunchbox recipe. This spinach corn sandwich takes hardly 10 minutes to prepare during your morning rush and kids will really enjoy it. So here I've taken some fresh spinach leaves from my garden. Wash it thoroughly and just roughly chop it. Now heat a pan, add some butter. Once the butter is melted, add some finely chopped garlic. Saute it for some time. Then add some corn. Here I've used frozen corn, which makes the process a bit easier. Or you can use boiled corn. Saute it for 2 minutes and then add some all-purpose flour. Saute it till it slightly gets roasted. Then add the finely chopped spinach. Saute that again and cook it till the spinach shrinks and gets cooked. Now into that add some milk and mix it. This makes the entire thing creamy and which you can easily spread onto the bread. Now add some oregano and salt, which is for the flavoring, and if your kids loves chili flakes you can definitely add that. Now finally add 1 slice of cheese. Mix it till the cheese melts. You can add more water or milk just to adjust the consistency, and our filling is ready. Just spread it onto the bread. Just place another bread on top. You can serve it right away or you can grill it. If you're grilling, just apply some butter on top of the bread. Place it on the grill. And after 2 minutes, it's ready. Look at the creamy spinach on corn filling. Kids will definitely enjoy it. Do try this out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.